As the picture that I'm about to put up here now, that picture when I had the burgundy and blonde, that what made that.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, y'all know I'm back with another video.
Everybody been asking for this video. Here this video go. You feel me? It's like, but if this y'all first time clicking on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and subscribe to Capo World because that's my boy, and Life with Brandon. I'm gonna put everybody's channel y'all need to subscribe to in the description box below because you know the whole family, the whole team lit, man. And yeah, we about to just get into this video. First thing you need some water. A soft brush. If you got a sponge, man, I do not recommend you to use no sponge. Why? That sponge rip your hair. Yes, it does. It wear down too easily. That's just not the look we going for. You feel me? So get you a brush. I had this brush for like 5+ years. Like my dog done bit all over it and all. Like it's a soft brush. You know. Get you a soft brush, man. Sally's got it, Walmart, and Dollar Tree probably even got it. Not Dollar Tree, Dollar General. Just go to the store and get you a soft brush, cause you need a soft brush for this tutorial. You wanna get your hair like mine, how you seen the pictures. You gonna listen to this video, and you gonna do, you know, you gonna do the deal. But brush. Get you some Jamaican lime lock. I use all of my Jamaican lime lock from the previous time when I had my actual locks, when I had got them coiled in. But you can use some Murray's. You can use any, well not any, don't use any because some of that stuff is bad for you. But this worked kind of fast because I just started doing this like, I want to say a week ago, and the coil's already coming back. I'm already getting that Freeform, but what makes my dreadlock tutorial different from everybody is the kind of hair. I don't know what type of hair I have, but whatever type of hair I have, I like it because, man, when my hair get wet, it looks like, now it probably looks like it's dreads, which they're not fully dreads yet because it hasn't matured, but it's curly because it gives it that cool look. Now, as the picture that I'm about to put up here now, that picture when I had the burgundy and blonde, that what made that look pop because it had color. So y'all want to have this look without color, it still pops too because they're like, dang, that's cool how you get your hair like that. But anyways, let me get into this tutorial because I'm like, man, that nigga talk too much. But hold on. Alright, so only thing you do is get your brush. So I have to go on circular motions. One thing I don't like about my hair is just my hair is way longer than it was last time. So when I first did this, my hair was way shorter than this, but it still is turning out good. Only thing is the front part of my hair. You see how the front part is? That takes longer to coil and form up than the other side, like the sides, the back, the middle, like the sides. You see the sides, like. And one more thing, everybody check out Gunther the Great's channel. He has some good dreadlock tutorial videos on it. I've been watching him since he had like the box cut, low curls, and then it started transforming. But some of his stuff he's saying on his channel is legit, but I disagree with some of the stuff that these people saying on their dreadlock tutorials because they said, oh, it takes your hair a year to lock up. I don't think that's true because when I had this hairstyle 9th grade, it only took like a few months for my hair to dread up because I was constantly brushing my hair in circles. And let me tell y'all the story about why I actually put this in my hair. I used to just do my hair, keep oil, you know, keep it looking good, fresh, you know, all that. After I get my shape up and all. I was in my mom's bathroom one day, and she had locks too. Her locks were like, they stopped down to her butt. And she had some Jamaican lime lock. And I was like, man, I need something in my hair. So I had snuck in her bathroom, got some, put some like in the palm of my hand, rubbed it, and then just put it all over my hair. Kept it in there for like a week, and then kept coiling, you know. And then my mom was like, why your hair look like it's locking up, but it look good like that because it's curly at the end. So I was like, you know, I got the new style. First person at Woodson High School, you know, here in Florence, that did that. Then everybody just followed the trend. Some people had it, but theirs didn't look as good as mine because, you know, I had that color. Then it popped, and then everybody was like, oh, how you get your hair like that? How you get your hair like that? And I ain't never tell nobody. It was one person that got their hair close to what I had. If everybody watching my channel, his name Jerry Puda. But yeah, that's all I really do for this, man. For this tutorial, I'm gonna add some color. Y'all see the picture that I had posted, man. Comment below what color I should get, man. If y'all enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I got some more tutorials on my hair and stuff I do, you know, just to get it right, because I'm eventually gonna turn these curls that's forming into locks, into actual locks. Like, just let them freeform. It's freeform dread, so you know you let them do what they do. But yeah, I got some more content for y'all. Y'all stay tuned for this video I'm about to post after this. Y'all have a good day. Love all y'all. Thank all y'all for the support, and we out.
Days. I like this tone. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I sit in silence and find whenever I meditate. My